Syncing Goodnotes between iPad and Mac. In today's video, you are going to learn how to sync Goodnotes between iPad and Mac. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Goodnotes application on your iPad or iPhone and make sure you are signed in over here. Tap on Next and sign in with your Google, Apple or Microsoft account. After that, once you have signed in, you will see an option to enable iCloud services. As you can see, I have this successful login here, and now I will see the option. My screen is loading, and now after loading I will see the iCloud option. Now from here you can continue, and what you have to do next is then make sure to return to this on and tap continue. From here, select your preferences such as student or university and tap on next. Then scroll down and tap on submit over here to double check the sensing. Tap on the gear icon. The gear icon is right here, as you can see. Click on the gear icon. After that, go to cloud and backup and make sure cloud sensing is turned on. Then when you log into Goodnotes on your Mac, your notes will sense automatically. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.